Hey, Tamara here and welcome. Thanks for watching my video. So I've got a great opportunity for you today if you want to make some money online and pretty quickly, because the beauty of this program, which is called List Infinity, is that you get paid $100 commissions per sale directly and instantly either into your PayPal or Stripe account or any other payment processor that they accept. Sweet, right? Plus, there is 5 more income streams inside the membership site. So some of those are monthly recurring. So that's passive income to add to your $100. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what's inside the membership site, what you're going to get. Oh, I forgot to mention, there's even free holidays when you upgrade to Pro, which is a one-time payment. Sweet. As well as show you inside their Facebook group to show you some payment proof, and also my bonuses, which I think are pretty good. See what you think. All right, so without further ado, let's jump inside. Oh, and if you have any questions, please just leave them below in the comments. Okay, cheers. Okay, so when you click on the link below, you'll come to this page. So you just pop in your email. And this is one of the landing pages that you are provided for. You get a choice of 14, which I'm about to show you in a second. So once you put your email in here, you're going to be then taken to this page. So this kind of breaks it down. You can watch this little video as well. Now, one of the reasons I joined, or the few reasons I joined List Infinity, was because, first of all, it's a pretty low entry fee. It's only $100, one-time payment. Plus, I think there's a $25 admin fee, again, one time, and that's it. You've got your business for life, and you can earn unlimited $100 instant commission per sale. So they are, as soon as someone joins and upgrades to Pro, then you're going to get that $100 directly into your PayPal or Stripe account, and you can put other payment processors. Just check with them to which ones you want to put, and make sure it's international. So PayPal and Stripe are both free to open. And another reason is because this is how the viral, like building the viral list, is because every 5th lead is passed up to your sponsor. So that happens to you as well, right? So you join, and then anyone that joins under you, every fifth one of their leads will be passed up to you. And yeah, basically everything's done for you except for you sending traffic. And I'm even going to share with you my traffic sources that I use on my bonus page. So we'll come to my bonus page a little bit later, so make sure you don't miss that. So yeah, you get the choice of 14 different capture pages, and you're building your list in your free email autoresponder as well, which you can also export those leads or add more campaigns to a different product after the List Infinity campaign's over, because you also get 30 days worth of email campaigns, and with a click of a button, they're imported into your free Aweber email autoresponder. You don't have to do anything. Your affiliate link is included in your emails, which is great. So you don't even have to edit the email, as well as you get lots of training. Plus, of course, my bonuses, there's even more. So this is just a few of the testimonials from the Facebook group, which I'll also show you live that these are true. There's quite a lot of them. I think there's about 1,500 members right now. And as well, so those are some of the capture pages. You'll get these bonuses when you upgrade to Pro for that one-time payment. And you also get a free vacation to one of these 125 locations. So these are for your hotel, so it doesn't include flights. But there are no timeshares, which is great. So literally, it takes you 3 easy steps. Like this took me 20 minutes to set up the system. And another thing which they don't mention on the sales page, there's also 5 more income streams inside the List Infinity membership site. So anyone that you join, I'm going to show you right now, actually. So do you see these here? Anyone that's under you, all of these will have your own link attached to them. So that's another, 5 income potential, as well as your $100 instant payments. So it's pretty easy. to set up. And again, you can join, on this page, you can open up your free account here so you can check it out. And there's no, pressure to upgrade or anything like that. But I mean, you can even use the system as a free member, but of course you're not going to make any commissions, but you can build your list. So, if someone does join as a free member and is using the system, but they don't upgrade, well, if they make sales, those are going to be passed up to you as their sponsor. Okay, so the system's set up. Like I said, you can choose from Aweber, which is the easiest because it's just a one click, and then they tell exactly what you need to do so that your list ID and your affiliate links are included in your emails. It's really pretty easy. Okay, and like I said, it's a free account. I don't even think they ask for a credit card or anything. So I recommend Aweber, although they do have GetResponse, although you'll have to copy and paste the emails. I don't know TrafficWave, so I can't say anything about them. I would just personally recommend Aweber. That's what I'm using. And then they've just added this, so it's a bridge page. So actually, once you do opt in here, you'll be taken to this page now. As you can see here, what's written here, to whatever you like. All right, and then we just continue here. So it just gives a bit more of a personal touch. And then this is where you import your email campaign. And like I said, literally takes you 2 minutes to do that. It's just a click of a button, really. And then this is where you add either your PayPal, your Stripe account, or other. But I would just maybe contact support just to make sure if you choose another one that it's okay. And then these are the 5 extra income streams that you can get from. He's just added this, so I haven't done this one yet. And you can these are all free to join to get your affiliate links. So you just pop them in, and like I said, then they'll show up here. So here's a list of capture pages you can use. So whatever one works for you, you can switch them up at any time. You can, it's your choice. Like I said, I'm using this one, and I have about a 10%, just under a 10% conversion rate, which is pretty good. They say the average landing page conversion rate is between 1 and 5%, so I'm at about 10%. I mean, a good one is 5 to 15, so I'm kind of in the middle there, which is great. And then this kind of shows you about solo ads, the solo ad people that they recommend. And this is basically training to show you how you can use Facebook to get free leads. And then this is the promotion tools right here. So these are basically just copy and paste. These ads are, posts for Facebook, as well as access a list of 100 Facebook groups that allow you to post links. And then this is where you get your referrals, your statistics, and these are the pro training videos. So Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and 10K Blueprint. That is about it. I mean, like I said, it took me like 20 minutes, maybe half an hour tops to set up. It's pretty simple. And then let's just take a look at some payment proof in the Facebook group. So yeah, 1,500 members. And so yeah, there's lots of people making those $100. I think one girl, she's made over 5,000. And List Infinity is a fairly new system. I don't even think it's a year old, but it's picking up steam. That's for sure. So yeah, Angie, she's made $2,400. So yeah, I love just it's instant payment. And then when people do join, you're going to get notified when they join, like here. So I have 12 there. I mean, I think I have about, that was in one day, 90 people have joined. And if people don't join right away, like for the pro paid account, then they're going to be getting those 30-day email follow-ups. And oftentimes that's when people join. So don't get discouraged if you just get lots of free accounts right now. I actually looked at it for a couple months before I joined. So it doesn't matter because they're now in your system. So if they join tomorrow, if they join a month, 2 months down the road, they will be under you and you'll make that $100. So patience and daily commitment is the key to making money online. Okay, so let's get to the good stuff and my bonuses. Okay, dokie. So just for just joining like my email list and getting a free account, you're gonna get access to these super helpful guides I wrote for you. Well, this one's in Excel, but yeah, so this is like has over 130 mostly free affiliate programs you can join. So you get this like just to be on my email, or like I said, opening up your free account. And then these are the traffic resources. You just click on here and there's a whole list of traffic resources that I personally use myself and have had success with. So you get access to all that. And then if you do decide to upgrade to the Pro, remember it's a one-time fee, you'll get all these. So I put these together, because again, it's all about how to get more sales for you. So basically, between the training you're going to get in List Infinity and my bonus, you are covered. And these are all video courses too. Okay, so I think that about sums up this video. So yeah, I would love to have you on board, and you can reply to any of my emails. I'll get back to you if you need any help or you have any questions. No worries. So click that link below. Join, at least get your free account going, and so you can check it out a bit more thoroughly. And see you soon. All right, take care, and thanks for watching.